Oh, hey guys, it's me, JK Emily again here again. So today I'll be making another video for you guys, and it's a squishy haul from Koreatown in New York City, in Queens and Roosevelt Avenue. If you live in New York, good place to check it out. But yeah, so it's gonna be a haul of my Shopkins. So let's get on with the video. So the first squishy we have is this mochi squishy. It's not stuck on my tablet, it just has the dust plug and I put it on my tablet. And this is the mochi. It has a little filling, which is super cute. It has like the little bean, the fake bean right there. Let's give this a squish. Not squishy, but it's a fast squishy and it's super soft. It has that sticky sound. But yeah, this is the mochi squishy. It has a little face on it. There's also a lot of kawaii stuff like Gudetama, Rilakkuma, another cute stuff that you could buy. But I saw squishies and I got them. But yeah, this is the mochi squishy. And I think all of these have the dust plugs. And like what I said, you can put this on your phone or your tablet. And I decided to put this on my tablet. So I'm going to keep this on my tablet. But yeah, this is the mochi. The next item from our squishies we have is this hot dog squishy. And sorry if you can see the price, but these are really cheap, just telling you. But yeah, this is the hot dog. There's powder in it, but I don't want to take it out of the packaging because it's so cute. But yeah, this is the hot dog. It's an okay squishy, because it's not squishy and it's not hard, but it's super cute. And it comes in a Rilakkuma packaging, I think. Yeah, but this comes in the Rilakkuma packaging. But this is the powdered sugar hot dog. There was also Hello Kitty donuts, but $8 for that thing. But I'll get that next time. But yeah, this is the hot dog squishy. The next squishy we have is this Hello Kitty macaron. I'm gonna take this out of the packaging because it's super cute. Again, has a dust plug, the same thing with the hot dog. And this one is super cute because it's super soft. But the only thing I regret buying this, well, my mom buying this for me, because the sprinkles come off, but only if you do that. But I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, this is the Hello Kitty macaron. Has the white filling, mostly like the mini Hello Kitty cream puff, but a repro. But yeah, this is the Hello Kitty macaron. Put that back in the packaging, and like what I said, this is all in the Rilakkuma packaging. If you can see really close, it has Rilakkuma. So the last squishy that I bought, because these are the three that my mom bought, but I bought one because for myself because it's at $3. But yeah. But this one is super squishy. I know you can't really see it on the camera, but this is squishy like squishy. Like, look at this. It really won't show a good view of it because it's just not good. But if you could really see closely, that's a pretty good squishy. If I say so myself, like look at that, hold on. Look how fast rising that comes up. And they're all scented. This one is scented chocolate. They're all scented chocolate. Like, but yeah, this reminds me of a Dunkin' Donuts Munchkin. But yeah, this is super, super cute too. Like, this makes me hungry. No defects, and all these fake squishies and no defects, pretty impressive. But yeah, this is the Munchkin donut, I would like to call it. So thank you guys for watching my squishy haul. I got 4 squishies, new squishies. And yeah, so, yeah. Give this video a, oh, there goes mommy. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you really like this video. Hit that subscribe button up there if you want to see more videos just like this one. And I'll see you gumballs next time on my other video. Bye bye.